Hey, Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde, coming to you to talk about Must Do by Limelight. Let's do a quick review. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm not a beauty guide. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm just a normal person who buys makeup. I don't sell Limelight, and I'm here to give you an honest review of what I think of it. So I've tested this out in a bunch of different ways. I tried it for a few weeks as an oil under my moisturizer, and then over my moisturizer. I've tested it as like a primer, and I've tested it to like revitalize my makeup. So let's talk about putting it as a moisturizer, just as a beauty oil. I have rosacea and sensitive skin, and it really irritated the fuck out of my rosacea. Right, this circle right here and right here, I've got a lot of rosacea. It stung, and it made it much more red than like another moisturizer. So there's that. So right away I was like, oh no. But, you know, I bought a whole bottle of it. I spent a lot of money, so I was just gonna continue testing. Okay, the other problem I had was, see my mouth area, I'm getting the little wrinkles here and then this big frown line. And a lot of times the makeup will get caked up in this frown line. And I found that a little bit of Must Do on a little sponge pressed in really worked like amazing for this. Now I'm pretty sure you can use any oil to try that, but this Must Do with the Limelight product looked fantastic. You can see like I've done that today, and I think it looks a lot better than it could. All right, let's look at a video I'm going to show you of a before and after. I don't know how clearly you can see it, but you can see again like how in this area of my face where it's dry.
I'd say it works.
Let's talk about using Must Do as a primer for a botanical foundation. I think it works fantastic. The thing about the first base primer spray that I put on often that Limelight sells, it has alcohol in it. But when you put it on, it's like a nice wet surface, and it really allows for the foundation to go in so well. But I didn't want to use that alcohol anymore, especially because of all these new wrinkles around my mouth. So I started to use this Limelight Must Do. And I gotta say, it really works well. Now I avoid this sensitive area on my cheeks with the rosacea and just put it all the other areas of my face, and I really, really like the way it helps the foundation become applied. Okay, so let's talk about price. It is $28 for this little 1.8 ounce container, and it has all these essential oils and other oils in it. My concern was the sunflower oil. I mean, I lived in Europe, and like you could buy a huge jug, you fried your French fries in vegetable oil, like, I mean in sunflower oil, like kind of like you do peanut oil or like just corn oil here. So that was one of the things, like $28 for sunflower oil, but when you look at the ingredients, you can see there's a ton of essential oils in it, and sunflower oil does have like lots of antioxidants, vitamins in it. So that isn't a reason to keep you from using it. So, okay, and I've got a lot of this. This thing lasts, like holy hell it lasts. Not like that one drop wonder. Oh, don't say anything negative about other products. This stuff really lasts. Like I've been using it for like a month, and like I'm barely into it. So you know, that's a good thing. All right, so let's do my final review. Does it do all the things it says it does? It says it's a calming face oil that can restore, refresh, and protect skin cells. It can also be used as a moisturizer or as just another moisturizing level. All right, so does it live up to what it says it's going to do? Well, for me, I have rosacea. So it really actually irritated the red parts of my face. So it's not a calming agent for me. For other people's skin it might be, but I have rosacea, so it's not. It is perfectly fine in the other areas of my skin that don't have active rosacea. So my forehead, my lower cheeks, my jaw, and anywhere else, it's a very nice moisturizing. Where it didn't affect my rosacea, did it restore, protect, renew? The renew is what I liked it for. When I put on my makeup, if I put it on before my makeup or after my makeup, it really helped the way my foundation looked. the Botanical Foundation, would I buy just this must do? If you are using the Botanical Foundation, and if you are, you know it's difficult to use because it does sometimes come on chalky and cakey. I would definitely get this. When used as a primer before it really worked well. I would not skip the must do if I was a big Limelight person and using all their other products. If I was not using their other products, I would skip the must do. So that's it. If you just want oil to use, don't buy and you have rosacea, don't buy the must do. If you have rosacea at all, it's probably best to just avoid it because you don't want to be like, oh, I spent $28 and I can only use it on half my face. That's my review of, my scatterbrain review of Must Do by Limelight by Alcone. I hope you enjoyed my review. Like I said, I don't sell the product. I'm just a real person using it. And I make these videos because I want to help people that are considering purchasing them. Thanks for watching. Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde.